Hey, I'm gonna do an updated trade binder. My wants right now, Yveltal EX, Darkrai, Sableye, pretty much anything that can go into a Darkrai deck. Floatstone, Muscle Bands, Xerneas EX. Okay, so first two full art Zekrom, Meloetta EX, sorry for the glare, Zekrom EX. I'm not gonna say them because that takes too long. This one's reverse. I actually have 5 Blastoise, so 2 for trade. That Gourgeist was reverse. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm thinking you can. If you're looking for a deck to run, this Flareon, it's a pretty fun deck. Reminds me of the old Gyarados deck where you discard the Magikarps. I have a bunch of Eevees, so Delphox, the good one, not the one from the starter deck. 2 reverse Slurpuffs, reverse Aromatisse, that's a Xerneas. What am I talking about? I also have a reverse Dark Circle, I think it's called, which is really good. I think I have it in my Darkrai deck though. I also have 3 Keldeos for trade, 1 promo. Those, the Diggersby, and then I have like 4 XMY code cards. Trainers Sporters, 1 Colress. I have a lot of doubles, so just ask. See, like I have tons of switches. I have a lot of catchers. Like 60 CA. And then I have multiple of probably every energy except for metal and fairy. Here's a bunch of not older stuff. Well, some of it's older, but just kind of not very used rares. And Darmanitan is really fun too. I have 3 reverse Dynamo if you guys want to run Ills for an unlimited deck. Another Terrakion. I have 3 reverse ones in the binder that was before. The bad Squirtle. You're going to need the bad Squirtle if you're running Blastoise when that Shell Shield gets rotated out. Stupid glare. What are you doing? It's the oldest card I have. Aerodactyl. That's it. So, I already said my wants. Pretty much like metagame, trainers and supporters. Magikarp. Xerneas EX is pretty low. I don't really need it, but I do need Yveltal EX. Pretty bad. Sableye's. I really need a dowsing machine. A spec. So, that's it.